Ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure of announcing to you that we are going to make an effort to repeat the old revelry. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, hi there. You caught us at home relaxing. But while you're here, why don't we do a new episode of Cimarron's Big Guns? I'm Jamie Waite, and this is Bryce Waite, and we're going to introduce you to one of Cimarron's latest products, the 62 Pocket Navy Conversion. This 21st century fistful pistol is chambered for the feisty 380 ACP cartridge. This handy little 5-shot revolver sports a rich, historically accurate blued finish with a color case hardened frame, brass trigger guard and backstrap, and an attractive one-piece varnished walnut stock. It retails for $570.70 and is available now.
So what do you say we open up the box? All right, we have the box for the brand new 62 Pocket Navy Conversion by Cimarron Firearms. First thing we see, instruction manual. It says, be advised, due to the lack of loading gate, while this gun is being loaded, muzzle must be pointed down to be cocked. If the gun is tilted up, the cases start to fall out of the chamber and will bind up the gun. At all other times, the alignment of the cartridge and frame will hold the cartridge in place. Cimarron's owner notice. We've got Cimarron's repair policy. Some other case candy, and of course, standard with all Cimarron firearms, the I'm Your Huckleberry bumper sticker. So the exciting part. Wrapped in plastic, and here it is. It's all oily, but it's beautiful. First thing we'll do, we'll make sure we're not loaded. So we're not loaded. So right here, this is the 380 ACP. Relatively inexpensive. Bought a box of 50 of them for less than $17, which that ain't bad. All right, 5-shot. We're gonna be loading 5. Take it back. Half cock. Freeze up your cylinder. We're loading 5, which is okay to do.